Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to make your photo looping by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your camera, and whenever you open it, make sure that you activate the live photos. You just need to click this button to activate the live photos, and whenever the live photo is active, now you just need to click this button while have the object moving. So before you click the button, move the object that you want to have the loop effects on it. So go. Okay, now I already get one. Just go back into your home screen and let's open the photo library, and then you just need to go click the photo that you have been taken. So this is a live photo. Whenever you click and hold the photo, they will be moving. How to create the loop moving? You just need to go click this part and just go simply click this loop, and you just need to wait until the process is done. And now you already got this looping photo on your photo library. So that is the way, so easy, so simple, so quick and fast, the way how to make the picture looping. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will let to see you for the next tutorial.